Hey guys, it's me again, and I'm about to open up some Pokemon cards. Pokemon cards. Okay, I'm gonna open this one up first. Okay. This is from series. This is also from series X. Sun and Moon. I got Fletchling, Pancham, and okay. Machoke. Got Machoke. I don't know who else I'm gonna get. Out of this, maybe a Charmander. Okay, I got this guy a couple of days ago. Okay, you got a Whalmer. Doing this one for last. A Giscar, and then the best Pokemon ever is Luna. I got him. I got Pokemon Moon. I also have this guy. The guy in the corner. Yeah, I got him. Yeah, I got him. Oh yeah, happy dance. Oh yeah, happy dance. Oh yeah, happy dance. Oh yeah. Okay, I got Pokemon Moon. He's so cool. He is powerful. Okay, guys, that was an awesome video. And I got 2 Pokemon I never have other. Okay, I got 3 Pokemon I've never gotten before. So, and they were these 3 guys. They were awesome. Okay, guys, this is, I guess, a goodbye. And I hope you have a good afternoon. And bye-bye. And bye.